Welcome back. You know, many individuals take their responsibility towards taking care of Mother Earth very seriously. But what about organizations? You know, Spectrum Health has committed to sustainability and lowering its carbon footprint. Here to tell us more is Sarah Chartier. Good morning, Sarah. Sorry, I stumbled right over your name. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well. Happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day to you as well. Thanks for joining us. Tell us, what can we do to help Spectrum Health celebrate Earth Day?
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. On Earth Day is a great time for us to individually reflect on our own personal behaviors and habits and how you can have a positive impact both on the environment as well as your community. So a few ways that you can do this are through shopping locally, supporting local and diverse-owned businesses within your community, keeping your dollars local while buying from friends and neighbors, reducing your waste through using a reusable bag when you go to the store, reusable water bottle, and researching ways to recycle within your community. And I'd like that Darth Vader hat from the 1-800-JUNK folks. That was pretty neat. You can also stay active and skip the car for smaller trips by walking, biking, or taking the bus, and reduce your energy bill by getting a free energy audit through your electric or heat provider, which includes ideas on how to reduce your energy consumption, free lighting, and other items that will help lower your monthly bill, which who doesn't want that?
Yeah,
so those are a couple of ways you can engage as an individual.
Absolutely. I love the lower bill. Sounds a lot like a good idea to me, but those are all great ideas for individuals, all things that we could be doing and helping you. What does Spectrum Health do to keep sustainability top of mind?
Absolutely. So Spectrum Health has a long history of sustainability that's been led by passionate staff. Our first green team was established in the 1990s. We've done a lot of effort to green our campuses through our design processes, through energy efficiency programs, and adding green space. In fact, our Blodgett Hospital has been recognized 2 years in a row by the Arbor Day Foundation as a tree campus healthcare because of our effort to increase the number of trees on campus and creating a restorative environment for our patients. We've also hit over 50% of our lighting at our facilities has been converted to LED. So we're lowering our energy footprint, which also helps us to lower the cost of care. We purchase from local and sustainable and diverse-owned businesses for our cafeterias, and we have a culture of recycling. Last year, we were able to recycle over 1,600 tons of waste from our hospital facilities. But lastly, I have a very exciting announcement today in honor of Earth Day that Spectrum Health is committing that by 2040, all of our facilities will be carbon neutral. This commitment expands on the organization's existing 2025 goals, sustainability goals to convert 70% of our fleet to electric or hybrid, compost or recycle 40% of our waste, purchase 25% of our food from local sources and diverse businesses, reduce our energy consumption by 15%, and double our 2020 purchases from minority-owned and women-owned businesses in Michigan communities. This last goal specifically is linked to our anti-racism pledge that helps build wealth within communities of color and create more resiliency within our supply chain. So we're really excited about this additional commitment.
I think you're actually tapping into something that I was going to bring up next, and that is, it's phenomenal, by the way. Those are great goals. Kudos, and thank you for that announcement that what you're trying to do, carbon neutral. That is a big step and a big help in protecting the environment. But why is Spectrum Health interested in this work? What's the connection between a health organization and saving the planet?
Absolutely. So Spectrum Health's commitment really represents our long-term investment in improving local, regional, and global environment and reflects our commitment to improving community health. We are one of the largest employers within West Michigan and a community pillar, often referencing ourselves as an anchor institution, meaning we're embedded within our community. So we want to leverage all of our resources to fulfill our mission of improving the health of the community that we serve. We also recognize the interconnection between your own personal health and the health of the community with the health of our environment and with a resilient and strong local economy. So we are committed to this work because we have deep recognition of the interconnection between each of us as a community and the environment.
Makes a lot of sense, Sarah. Thank you so much. And thanks to Spectrum Health for being that community leader and making those commitments to lower their carbon emissions. Sarah, thanks again for the time.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. As always, you want to learn more about Spectrum Health and what they're doing, the website's waiting for you, spectrumhealth.org.